Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious homemade chili. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 3/4 cup of beef broth, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 medium onion diced, 2 14.5 ounce cans of petite diced tomatoes, 1 can I had with olive oil and garlic and the other is regular and I just mixed them together, 1 15.5 ounce can of light red kidney beans. You want to drain and rinse them. 1 15.5 ounce can of pinto beans. You also want to drain and rinse them. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. In a heated Dutch oven over medium heat, I'm going to add in my olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onion. We're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to begin to add in our ground beef. Now we're just going to go ahead and break that down. You want to make sure your onion is mixed well with the ground beef. And we're going to let that continue to cook. We're going to let our ground beef cook until it's brown all the way through. Now to a small bowl, I'm going to add in my chili powder, my black pepper, brown sugar, ground cumin, and also my oregano. You just want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Once you're done, you can set it to the side. Once your ground beef is brown all the way through, you want to go ahead and drain it of all excess grease. Once you've drained all your excess grease, you want to go ahead and add in your minced garlic. And we're just going to go ahead and mix that around until it's well combined. You can let that cook for about 30 to 40 seconds. Now we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning. I'm going to go in and mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, we can add in our tomato paste. I'm going to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined also. Now we're going to add in our beef broth. You want to go ahead and give that a stir. Now to that, we're going to add in our petite diced tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. Next, we're going to add in our light red kidney beans and also our pinto beans. going to give that a good mix. Then you want to let it come to a boil. While you're waiting for it to come to a boil, you can go ahead and give it a taste. And if you need to adjust any of your seasonings, you can do it now. Once it comes to a boil, you want to go ahead and put your lid over top. We're going to lower our heat to low, and we're going to let it simmer for 1 to 2 hours. And don't forget to stir occasionally. Okay guys, during the last half hour, you want to go ahead and remove the lid, and we're just going to let it cook until it thickens up. Okay, our chili is now done. You can see it thickened up nicely. Okay guys, I have some toppings for my chili. I have some sour cream, I have some chopped scallions, and some shredded cheddar cheese. Okay guys, so here we have it, our delicious homemade chili. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?